Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Surah Tawbah 9 and Ayah 33. هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى والدين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون. This ayah is exactly repeated. You can write down in point section I've written As-Saff 61:9 without change of a dot. It is repeated again. Then in Surah Fatah 48:28, هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى والدين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله وكفى بالله شهيدا. The last portion of this ayah, walau, if you note in the previous ayah is walau karihal mushrikun, and below is wa kafa billahi shahida. The last portion is different, otherwise same. It says it is Allah, it is He who has sent His messenger with guidance and with the judgment of truth, so that He makes it obvious on His every judgment, and even those who so dislike it. And if I read again, it is He who has sent His messenger with guidance and with the judgment of truth, so that He makes it obvious on His every judgment, and Allah is the sufficient witness. So now comes the messenger. So in this ayah, if you know, we have come to know that Quran is a guidance. In the previous ayah I read, and I also read the Kitab is a guidance, book is a guidance. Now he says that the messenger, huwa alladhi arsala. Arsala means he sends. It is he who sends his messenger with guidance. The topic is guidance. The book is the guidance, all the prophets are guidance, their lives are guidance. And now here says, Allah says, huwa alladhi arsala rasulahu bil huda. It is He who has sent His messenger with guidance. He didn't use the word Quran or the book, with guidance. That means the book contained guidance. You see? So he says, the guidance, wa deenil haq. And deen means in Arabic, judgment. Maliki yawmiddin. Master or the owner of the day of judgment. Deen Arabic does not mean religion. It means the judgment. So he says the Rasul came with Deen al-Haq, the judgment of truth. Whatever the judgment, you see, like in a court of law, the people sit down, and then finally they come to a conclusion, they make it a judgment. This should be the law. That is judgment. Similarly, Allah has laid down certain ayahs known as muhkamat ayat, which contains the hukum of Allah, the governance of Allah, like establish the salah, like fast in Ramadan. Any order that is laid down in the Quran is the judgment from Allah. So the messenger duty is huwa alladhi arsala rasulahu bil huda wa deenil haq, and it is He who has sent the messenger, His messenger, with guidance and with the judgment of truth. Liyudhrahu ala deeni kulli, so that He make it obvious the judgment, all the judgment. He make it obvious on His every judgment, that every judgment, that is the judgment of truth. Any judgment written down in the ayahs, every order or every judgment written down in the ayat, the messenger came to make it obvious that this is the truth. Walau karihal mushrikun, no doubt the essays, those people who so dislike it. And in the last portion of the ayat, the other ayat reads the same way and say wa kafa billahi shahida, and sufficient, Allah is the witness. So Allah is a witness that He has sent His messenger with guidance.